Cat summons eye. Cat summons eye means to attract someone's attention or interest, usually because something is noticeable, attractive, or unusual. Let's look at some example sentences. That blue dress caught my eye as soon as I entered the store. The new restaurant caught their eye because of its cozy outdoor seating. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Your impressive work history and unique skill set immediately attracted the attention of a hiring team. Your impressive work history and unique skill set immediately caught our hiring team's eye. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.